Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to install a backup camera in my 2007 Honda Element. I recently installed a multimedia player by a company called iDoing, and I wanted to add the backup camera. Let me show you what this looks like installed. So I got the little backup camera installed, and it's just basically 2 screws, and you just screw it wherever you think has a good angle. And this is where I put it. Let me show you how I installed it. I had to remove the tailgate and then this piece here. Let me show you how all that comes off. So now to get this panel off, let's remove the spare tire cover. Just get that out of our way. And then this, there's going to be 3 screws. 1, 2, 3, and this will just pull off. Once it pulls off, there's just 3 clips, or 2 clips that hold it on, and this is out of your way. Now the tailgate cover, it's best if you take off this tailgate strap. Comes off a lot easier, makes your life easier. Move that out of the way, and then from there you just pull up on there. It comes off by clips, so you just reach your hand in there and give it a good tug until all these clips are loose, and then this just pulls right off. My reverse camera is going to sit right here. So what I did is I took one of my license plate lights off right here. It's actually a simple process, easy to do. There's like a little slot. You just push your screwdriver up while you push that forward. And that's how I got that one off. So here's this one, and this is kind of what it looks like. There's a tab in there. And then I use some mechanics wire and just kind of fished it in this way. And then if you look on the other side here, right inside here, this is where all my wires are coming out through that grommet, and then they come over here. If I lift this up, so this is where they come through the pass-through from the tailgate over to here. I've got my mechanics wire right here, getting ready to pull this in. Here's the other end here, and then once I'm done, I'll pull this wire through too. This one might be a little tougher. Now to get this off, it's pretty simple. Undo the seat belt. There's going to be some clips under here that you'll use a tool like this for. And the rest, Phillips screw, Phillips screw, Phillips screw. There's 2 of these, which are Phillips screws. And then once you get that out, it's a matter of just tugging it. Oh, one more thing. The seat bracket has to come off. 2 14mm bolts. And then this comes out of the way, and then don't forget to remove your seat belt. And that'll come off. So, and then the camera wires come up through here, and they'll come along here, and then this is your power for your camera, and then this is the video wire. And if you notice on this, there's a white wire coming out of the video. I'll tell you what that is in a minute. So then my wires route over here, they come through here, I routed them through this connector, and now they come out here. So from here, I took the white wire, which was come over here, which was this wire, and I soldered it to the red wire, which is this wire. Now come back over here. So these are all soldered together, and this wire now, it needs to get power when I put it in reverse. Now I could come over here to the reverse light and catch power here, but then I would have to maybe come outside the car. What I did is I found the connector, and it's going to be the green, and there's a black wire, and I just put a little splice right in there on the red wire. So the other wire, the black wire, not the red one that comes off the camera for power and ground, I ran that one over here, and then up that same harness, and then over here where all the grounds are actually at. My video cable here comes down, comes over here, and it's routed on my factory wires. It comes up, it's over here, it comes around here. Here's the wire here, wire comes here, and by the way, these are your airbags, so don't be banging on these airbag sensors. And then the wire, the video wire is routed underneath this plate, and it comes up over here, and then it comes back up into here, and then I've got it routed where all the other wires are, and it's all zip tied, and then it comes out right here. Plug in our backup camera. Everything looks good. Nothing's binding. That's all in. The only thing we have here is the hazard switch. Go ahead and plug that one in. And we're installed. If you need to know how the cluster comes out, I'll show you this next. If not, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So there's a screw somewhere around here. So we need to remove this little panel here. And to do that, you just kind of reach in here, grab the panel, take your trim tool once again, and pop it out. There we go. So there's a screw right here. Let's go ahead and get that out. It also makes it easier as if you just pull off the AC vent. Comes out really, really easy. There's just a tab here, and a tab here, and a tab here that holds it in. Just like that. Pops out. And from here, let's lower our steering wheel. And then reach your finger under here, and you can feel where the lip is, and just start pulling the cluster. And there it is. So this is just held in by little clips right here, all around. And now we're at our cluster. So now the cluster comes off just as easy. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Let's go ahead and pop those off now. And then it just pulls out. You just push the tab here and pull it out. Remove the cluster.